Do you want to learn how to make money without selling anything? Well, check this out. Amazon sponsored products, okay, in the Creator Connections program, that's pay-per-click. That means you send traffic to Amazon. Every time they click your link and go to Amazon, you're making a commission anywhere between 5 cents to $5, okay? The sweet spot's somewhere around $1. I've been working on it, so check this out. Dive right in. Let me show you what's going on. Oh, and we're using the Oink tool for this, the Oink extension, so there'll be a link for Oink down there as well, so, help yourself. Okay, so here's the one thing I was telling you about. So you go to the sponsored products, okay? Remember pay-per-click? All right, so now you can go to the sponsored product. Come over here, you want to search it by estimated EPC, earnings per click. And then any one of these, now this one here is a vibration plate, $1.44 per click. So every click, anytime someone clicks your link, you're going to get $1.44. All right, they don't have to buy nothing, they don't have to do anything. All you're doing is driving traffic. If they click your link, you're going to get $1.44. All right, so we're going to go to accepted. Now you just accept the ones that you think you can make content for. You go to the accepted ones, okay? All right, now some of these I already made content for, but let's go to this one. See the P up here, Pinterest? Pinterest is your new friend, okay, as an Amazon influencer. All right, okay, so Pinterest, we're gonna click this one here. Right, we're going to pick one of the templates that we made. We can make a bunch of templates in Canva, easy peasy. We can show you that someday if you want. Let me know in the chat. So there we are, text at the top, okay? But watch how easy this is. We're going to scroll down here. Now, once you set it up once, you can set up the Amazon. I think this is Pro too, but you turn around and, all right, so you set it up once, right, Amazon here, and then you just automatically, you're going to paste it in there. That's going to be automatically the URL of what you were doing. So there it is. We'll put it over here. It's going to automatically remove the background, and we can turn around and open this up, right? Make it nice. You can change the background if you want. If you don't want to have a white background, your template, you can do whatever you want. But let's say I want to make a template, a background. We can change the background. We can put a nice color like that on there, and then the text at the top. Put whatever you want to do, okay? Wi-Fi camera for the pets. So you can optimize this, and you want a call to action. Click to shop. All right, so you can itemize this for SEO, optimize it for SEO. Okay, then you go to share. You come down to the Pinterest button. Now, if you just tie in all of these together, your Pinterest account and your Amazon influencer account with Canva, you can do this all easy. You're going to pull this right up. You can pull, I'm going to pull this board, but I can change the board if I want. I can go to Amazon Best Finds, right? Now they already pulled the title, they pulled the description, and they pulled your disclaimer on there, and you just publish it now, and now it's on your Pinterest account. Okay, now anytime someone clicks that, now we know what kind of traffic you get from Pinterest. Anybody clicks that, you get $1.50 for every click, or $1.48, whatever it was. All right, so I hope that makes it worth your while. And that's just, oh, and by the way, that is a Oink feature, and I'm going to leave a link for Oink down there in the description. Okay, I'm not a big Oink pusher, but I use it every day. This is my first video telling you to get Oink, and there's the link down in there for the 10% off. All right, so get the Oink.